So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is just running my dog in our neighborhood because we don't have that much going on right now since Ashley's school is about to be done, and so she doesn't have any events or anything going on at school. So it's just a random video, or running my dog rather, in our neighborhood. So I'll show you around. Well, I already did, but not the whole route where Dusty and I usually run. We already ran one round just to calm him down, and so he won't be pulling me and ruin my video, and it won't look as bad as it is right now. So we're going one more round. So let me turn my camera around so you can see where we usually go. I'm sorry, my breathing is not as normal because he ran me hard. Like he was pulling me, so I really have to keep up with him just to calm him down and tire him out. And right now he's content of just walking, so this video would be more stable. Sorry about my hair. It's kind of humid this morning. The sun is not out because it's cloudy, and I think it's going to rain. It rained last night, and so it's humid this morning, so I'm sweaty and a little hot. I'm just thankful it's not that hot. It's kind of cold but humid. But anyway, let me go ahead and turn this camera around so you can see better. So here we are. This is street where we usually walk or run. So here's our dog. He gained a little bit of weight already because it has been a week since I ran him, and if I don't run him for a while, he would be he usually gets dejected and he gets, I guess, depressed and eat a lot of his dog food, and so then he gained a little bit of weight so far in just few days. So now he's really happy. He was really excited when I got his well, when I put my shoes, he was expecting that I would run him, and so he got really crazy. He was barking so much. Anyway, we have to stop because he's wanting to put his mark. Come on, Dusty, let's go on this route. No more running. We're done running, Dusty. So every post or mailbox, he usually would put his marking. No, we're not going that way. Let's go this way. So anyway, this is another street in our neighborhood. So now he's wanting to run, but I'm trying to control him because my video won't be as good, won't be stable if I let him run. Anyway guys, this is our neighborhood. Okay, Dusty. I will probably run him right at the end, so I will pause this video. Okay, this way, Dusty. I usually run him in a park, but I haven't found a park that's close to our house and is as big as it used to be in Oklahoma. So hopefully, well, this neighborhood is nicer, so I'll probably just be running him around here. See, he's marking his territory. I should probably grab my selfie stick so the video would be more stable, but I didn't think of videoing this route, but I thought this would be an easy upload for just today or this week, so just so I have something to come on, Dusty, have something to upload. Okay, so he's marking his territory again. Dusty, come here. No, we're not going that way. So anyway, guys, it's about 5 minutes video now, so I'll probably just stop it here and add a few more laters and later, so it would be a little longer. I think this is about half a mile or probably about a mile walk distance. And then he's checking if he missing a spot to mark. He has definitely gained some weight. He used to be so lean, but it's been a week since I ran him. He really gained his weight back quickly. So anyway, we're about to turn to my street, so going to definitely turn it off. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.